guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the first day of the month, which of course means that it's going to be an unboxing video, and not breaking the ritual, I'm going to be showing you guys what all are inside GlamEgo's July edition box. But before that, I want to quickly tell you guys that GlamEgo this month has teamed up with Zarya. Zarya is this amazing organization that helps women who faced domestic violence get legal counseling for free. Now, domestic violence, as you must be knowing, is unfortunately a rampant issue in India. It's something that needs to be discussed and tackled, and I'm so happy that GlamEgo is using its platform to support and further a cause like this, and I'm even more blessed to actually be a part of this campaign. So thank you, GlamEgo, so much. And this month's box is actually also revolving around a similar theme. As you can see, it kind of is like a measuring scale. So as the neckline goes deeper, you have all the tags that women are given, because apparently we cannot dress the way we want without being objectified by men. So first you have being called prude, and then old-fashioned, bore, tease, cheeky, asking for it, and then of course as the neckline goes deeper, you have the other obscene tags that us women are given. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what all are inside this amazing box. So if you want to find out, then please keep on watching. Because it's July and it's monsoon, so all the products that GlamEgo has sent in this month are catering to skincare and hair care needs for monsoon. And the very first thing that they have sent in is this red wine sleeping face gel. This is by the Nature's Co and it retails for 900 rupees. It's supposed to give you a variety of skin benefits, like for example, it's supposed to deeply repair your skin, remove patches, even out complexion, and make your dull skin glow. It smells a lot like jelly that I used to eat as a child. It smells delicious. I want to eat it actually. I might even taste it when I put it on, but I am looking forward to trying this out because I have never seen something like this before. So definitely something exciting and new. Moving on to the second thing that they've sent in is again by Nature's Co. Now this is the Saffron Radiance Face Cream, and this one retails for how much do you retail for face cream? Yes, this one retails for 550 bucks, and I have used this before. In fact, I just finished it day before yesterday and I was so upset because I really love this cream. Now I'm someone who has oily skin, so I'm afraid of using moisturizers because I feel like it's just going to make my skin even oilier and clog my pores. But this actually does not do that. It gives you the perfect amount of moisture without making your skin oily, so which is why I really like it, and I'm so happy that I actually got it again. So thank you, GlamEgo. Now moving on to the third product, which is actually wrapped. Oh, it's actually two products. So let me open it. These are the two products that GlamEgo sent in. Now this one is a body mist and it's by Bio Blue, and this one retails for 450 rupees. This is perfect for monsoon. It's alcohol free and also chemical free. So let's smell it, of course. Oh, it smells a lot like a deodorant I already have, but this is like the body mist version of it, and I like the size of it because it's really travel friendly. I can just pop it in my bag and be good to go. So I do not know. Okay, so this one actually contains orchid and marigold. It is for all skin types, and of course, like I said, it's alcohol free and chemical free, and I really like the smell. Fourth product that GlamEgo sent this month is a mascara, and this is by a brand called Ellen Blue. Now I recently got a kajal from Ellen Blue and I really like it. It's really dark and intense, so I'm hoping the mascara would be very similar and I will like it. Now this one retails for how much do you retail for mascara? Okay, so this one retails for 599, 600, and this one is waterproof, it's long lasting, and it's supposed to give you high volume. And of course Ellen Blue is a German brand. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the wand, and also can we just appreciate how tall this mascara is. Actually, it's almost like the size of my face. So I'm going to show you guys the wand of it, and this is what the wand of it looks like. I haven't tried this one on, but I will soon, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. And now moving on to the very last item, which is a hair care product. It is the Sesa Mud Hair Spa Kit, as you guys can see, and this one retails for This one retails for 99 only, so really affordable actually. And this one is supposed to smoothen frizzy hair. It has the goodness of mud for nourishment, and also it's one of those boxes packs that you can use at home to give yourself a spa like feeling. Now this one actually also is ideal for unisex, so you can use it, you can make your boyfriend use it, your brother use it, your father use it, your mother use it yourself, use it with your family. Everyone can use it basically. And so I'm just going to quickly see what all are inside, and of course there are packets inside, but still. So it's a 3-step pack. You have the shampoo, you have the, of course, mask, and then you have the, oh no, they are both the same things, my bad. Completely got it wrong, but it actually is a 3-step process. First you have the shampoo, then you have the hair mask because they've sent in an extra pack, which is great, and then you have the 3rd step, which is the hair serum. So I'm definitely going to be trying this one out first because my hair of lately has been frizzy because of the monsoon, and I've never tried a hair spa before at home. So looking forward to trying this the most, and of course the red wine gel because it smells so delicious. I wish you could smell through the screen. It smells so delicious, and I'm definitely going to be trying this out tonight itself, and maybe I will let you guys know on Instagram how I feel about these products. So those were basically all the things that GlamEgo has sent in this month. I am in love with the box. I think it's a great way to try out different skincare and hair care products at a really affordable cost of only $3.99 per month. This month all the products that they sent in amount to approximately, I'd say, 2,600 or maybe 700. It's a great bargain for, let's say, only 400. You're getting products worth around pretty much 2,700. So if you want fun for yourself, I will have the link like I said. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe, leave wonderful comments, and I will see you guys pretty soon. Bye.